strange. I had to kick through some dough just to ice out the chain. We had to fuck a few hoes since they claiming they games. Jumped off to pull some change, double back and it came. Huncho hustle mentality, just like Kobe with rings. I don't wanna mention names, but some can't even hang. One thing I learned this game, it's gon' show if you're lame. Huncho and Pop Smoke, yeah, we turning the page. I don't know, but it feel like we go back in the day. I put food on the table, niggas won't touch my plate. Mama